What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today, we're gonna be explaining why I made toothless and how to train your dragon. The reason why I did this is because it's literally my favorite dragon in like the whole entire world. This is my favorite movie, How to Train Your Dragon, and the live action about to come out. So it's like in June 13. So like today I'm gonna be demonstrating how I made Toothless. Well, I'll show you how it works. So here we got the saddle connected to the tail because obviously Hiccup shot him down. And this lever you could actually shoot the plasma blast. That's basically it. Okay. I made the tail. Last time I made this, it looked so blocky, like really not detailed. But like, I've been trying to. My bad, guys. So like, we're good. So like, the first time I made this, it was like huge. Like, it's almost like the whole entire map, and like it's like blocky. So like, I couldn't make the details. But like now. Oh shoot, guys. Hold up. The server will be shutting down. Okay. The server shut down, so like I joined back. Now it's a new server, so where was I again? I think it was, I forgot. So let's go on with the flying thing. So this is how you fly it. I made the chair sideways so it's like so I could like do barrel roll, multiple blasts, like stuff like that. So like yeah. You just delete this wooden thing and then like yeah. It like Toothless is unanchored. So like I'll show you how to fly. Hold up. Okay. So you just fly like this and that. Yeah. Don't know why the server shutting down. Maybe it was like just too laggy. Here, this is it, how you fly it. You can see the jet trail, yeah. So you could do like barrel roll, multiple blast. This lever shoot out like one canyon. I'm gonna be planning to like shoot out like 3 canyons. The live action about to be out. It's on June 13th. So if you want to watch it on June 13th, bro. It's absolute cinema. Wait, I remember now. So the first time when I make Toothless, it was like huge and like blocky. Like you could not even like, you could barely drive it, but it's like something else. I mean, so like the first time I made it, it's like so blocky and like it's like really big. But now I've been starting to lock in. So like I made this Toothless. My other friend loves this show too. So like I made it for him. I made this for them. So if you want to make this, you're going to need travel if you want to rotate the legs, travel if you want to rotate the wings, travel if you want to rotate the head and the eyes and the mouth. And then you need measuring tape. And then you need about like a bunch of blocks. So I say about 300. What is this? Coal block, right? Coal block. Coal block. What was called coal block? So here it is. It's called coal block strength 5. So you're going to need 300 coal blocks if you want to make this. And if you want to make this, you're gonna need like about 100 gold blocks. So that will be it for the video, guys.